Hi, sweet friends. Welcome back to my channel. I am so happy you're here for today's fall decorate with me. And today we are decorating the dining room. This is one of my favorite areas to decorate. I recently did purchase this huge rug from Costco. I absolutely love it, and I feel like it really opens up the dining room space. Before we get into the decorating, we're going to make a really cozy drink, and I did want to show you this new mug I purchased. It's a Ray Dunn mug. It says pumpkin spice. I could not resist picking this up to add to my mug collection. I think it's so unique and pretty, and nothing brings me more joy than making a drink in a really festive fall mug. I was really craving this pumpkin pie hot chocolate. I don't know how the weather is where you live, but here it's definitely getting cooler in the evenings and the mornings, and it definitely has that fall feel in the air. I already cannot believe that today is September 1st. I feel like the summer just flew by, but I am definitely here and ready to embrace all the cozy fall feels. I don't know about you guys, but I already started to make a list of all the fall things I want to do this season. So I have apple picking on there, going to a pumpkin patch, going to a corn maze, having a bonfire, just lots of fun treats to look forward to and activities. And I feel like that really helps you embrace the season. I also want to show you this adorable little pumpkin. It's this cute little glass one right beside my salt and pepper shakers. I got this for my birthday. I thought it was so special, and it was because me and my husband actually got engaged in a pumpkin patch. I don't know if I've ever shared that story with you guys, but I thought that was so special. And I decided that I would make some cinnamon rolls. I'm going to have these baking, and we're going to get right into the decorating. So let's get started. I'm going to start by decorating our buffet here, and I just added this hook to my mirror. I got this from the Dollar Tree, the hook. It just makes hanging wreaths so easy, and I'm going to go in with this burnt orange one. I purchased this a few years ago from HomeSense, I believe, but I love that color on it. And then this print I did get new this year from a local boutique called Jillian's. I love the simplicity of it, as well as those bright orange pumpkins. And I'm going to go in with this gorgeous garland that was also from Jillian's. I love to layer my garlands, and this is just a base piece to add some fullness and dimension. And then we're going to go in with these really beautiful lights. Typically, I do use twinkle lights, but when I want something that's a little bit more substantial, I do pull out these lights. I am going to hide that brown cord. We're going to do lots of layering here. I tend to find when I start these layered looks, they can look really blah when you first start, and you might not see the vision, but you just have to continue decorating and stacking your decor and layering it, and you will get there. But these cozy lights are so pretty. They have a ton of versatile settings, and I love to make them twinkle, especially in the evenings. I don't know about you guys, but when I start my fall decorating or any seasonal decorating, I typically go all out when I first start, meaning even if I start in July or August, I'm bringing out all my pumpkins. I'm not doing my decorating in a phased approach. I've always loved pumpkins. I'm definitely a maximalist, especially around the fall season. So I just want to encourage you to decorate in a way that brings you joy and happiness. And if someone doesn't like it, that's okay, because ultimately it brings you joy and it's your home. I have quite a few of these wheat stalks. I think they're so gorgeous. And then these rattan pumpkins, I did purchase quite a few of these a few years ago from Michael's. I absolutely love them, and I think the texture is so pretty. These beautiful burnt orange pumpkins were a new purchase this year for me. They were $12.99 each, and I think I got 4 or 5. The lady at the register even said these look so realistic. I thought so as well, and I don't have anything really like them. A lot of my pumpkins are more muted, whereas these are so bright and beautiful. I couldn't resist them. And then I'm going to also layer in some of these acorns. I did purchase these from a local nursery a few years ago, and they're definitely some of my favorites. When I'm layering my decor, I love to add different textures, sizes, shapes, and these adorable little sweater pumpkins were from Dollar Tree. I believe they were only $1.25, and I think they look so cozy. I picked up these beautiful picks from Michael's a few years ago, I believe. They might even still have them, but I thought I would add these in just for a little bit more texture. And I love these cute little, more muted pumpkins, I guess. I think they're so gorgeous. So I just decided to add a few picks of these, and I think they really complete this look. I absolutely love how this buffet turned out. It's so simple, just adding in a few pieces that probably most of you already have, but all the textures and colors and then the twinkle of the lights really make it feel so festive and beautiful. I don't know about you guys, but decorating brings me so much joy. We're gonna move down to this basket now, but then my timer went off. The cinnamon rolls were all done. These were so easy to make, and the whole house smelled so amazing and cozy. You guys will have to let me know what some of your favorite baked goods are in the fall. I've definitely always loved cinnamon rolls, and they feel like a fall staple. I also love anything pumpkin, pumpkin pie, really anything. And it's funny because I didn't grow up eating many pumpkin goods in my house, but when I met my husband, he introduced me to pumpkin pie and just various other pumpkin treats, and now they're definitely my favorite. Of course, I have my sweet little helper Holstein beside me. He's supervising me while I decorate. I'm going to add that initial pillow to the basket just so when I add this one, it doesn't sink to the bottom. I love this thankful pillow. I believe it was from Michael's a few years ago. And then I'm going to layer in this cozy striped scarf. We're gonna move over to the blanket ladder now, and I got this gorgeous blanket from my brother and sister-in-law for my birthday. I absolutely love it. It's this mustard yellow color. I thought this would be perfect on my blanket ladder, and it definitely brings in that really cozy fall feel. We're gonna move over now to my glass table and set this up. I love creating tablescapes seasonally. It's probably one of my favorite things to do. And we typically don't eat at our dining room table unless we have company over. So that's why I'm able to do this. But I'm gonna layer in a few of these runners. The white one I did have, but I purchased this gorgeous one with the leaves this year from HomeSense. I thought it was so stunning, and the colors of the leaves are so beautiful with the burnt oranges and that more mauvey purple color. The stitching, everything about this felt so elegant and high end, and I believe this was $24.99, but I love it so much. And there's my little helper asleep on the job. I wanted to go in with a few books just to create some height, and my sweet friend Mindy sent me this Anne of Green Gables book. I took the cover off to reveal this gorgeous burgundy book, and I thought it would be perfect on our table. So thank you so much, Mindy. You know me so well. Anne of Green Gables is definitely one of my favorite movies, and I've actually already watched it once this August to get me in the fall mood, and it's just one of those feel-good, happy movies that I could watch over and over again. I love the layered look of the pumpkins on top of the books, and to bring in some height and warmth, I have these two gold candlesticks as well as these burnt orange candles. I purchase the candlesticks and candles at HomeSense. I bring them out every season, and then I did purchase these cute little squirrels on the acorns this year. They were a pack of 2 from HomeSense, and I believe they were $19.99, but I thought they were just so adorable and they look so sweet on the table. I did have a bag of these acorns. I believe I got them from the Dollar Tree a few years ago, and I thought I would just scatter a few on the tablescape as well. And then these gorgeous votive glass holders are actually from our wedding. I've saved them all these years, and I think they're so pretty with that mercury glass. I decided to tuck in a few of these on the table just for some added light and warmth. I don't know about you guys, but I definitely know that fall is my season because as soon as August hits and I'm thinking of fall, I instantly start feeling happier and just so excited and hopeful for the fall season. I just love everything about it. But I'm going to bring out these gorgeous chargers. They were from Dollar Tree. And then I have these really pretty scallop plates that I got from HomeSense in the spring. These napkin rings are new this year from Michaels. They had the pumpkins, leaves, and then also a turkey. And then I decided to purchase these really beautiful napkins from HomeSense. I didn't have anything that was burnt orange, and I needed something to really kind of pop off that really plain scalloped plate. So I thought these napkins were so perfect, and these napkin holders are absolutely stunning. They didn't have many left at my Michaels. I think a lot of people fell in love with them also, but they are definitely the perfect addition to my table setting, and they match that charger so perfectly. I love how this tablescape turned out. It's probably one of my favorites. Just everything about it is so me, and it brings me so much happiness just looking at it. I definitely just get so much enjoyment out of my fall decorating. I love having a channel, but even if I didn't have this channel, I would still decorate for me because you have to do the things that bring you joy in life, those small things. And for me, decorating has always been one of them. But we're going to move over to that small little table now by my back door. I did purchase this gorgeous vase this year. I guess it's kind of a vase or a candle holder. I'm using it like a candle holder. And I love that really pretty amber glass. I think it's so perfect for fall. I would say even if you're a minimalistic decorator, one of the main things to focus on is lighting, just because it does make everything feel so cozy. I'm going to stack in these books as well as this candle just because it needed a little bit of height. And then this adorable hat that always makes me think of Anne of Green Gables. And I think that corner nook is just so cozy and pretty. I do hope you guys stayed till the end of the video. I purchased some new furniture on the weekend and I'm not sure what I think of it, so I definitely want your guys' opinion. But I have my sweet little helper Holstein here. He was such a good boy during the whole filming. He's always such a little angel. But I really do love this space. I also want to show you guys what it looks like with all the lights off. Typically in the evenings, we just have our lamps on and candles and twinkle lights. And to me, that's when the space truly becomes magical. You guys will have to let me know if you started your fall decorating or if you've already finished it. I still have a couple more rooms to decorate, like my living room and my upstairs loft. I really want to take my time when I decorate, and I have to admit this room took me a few days to put together. I don't just put everything together in a few hours. Sometimes I do, but I feel like that's rare. I love to set it up and then play with it, and I just like to take my time and enjoy doing it. So definitely let me know how you decorate, if you go room by room or if you just like to do the whole house at once. I feel like we all do things a little bit differently. So I'm going to start talking about the new decor pieces I got just because they're going to show in just a few seconds. I went shopping on the weekend to IKEA. I was looking for some new bookshelves for my living room. So on the left is the one that I already have. I have two of these in the all white. And then I did purchase this new one with the wood tone. I think it's so gorgeous, but I'm just not sure if it's too dark for the space. This is how it looks in the natural light. So I think it's really pretty and I love the look of the actual shelf. I'm just not sure if it's too dark for the space. So the new shelf on the right does come in all white also. I just wasn't sure if I wanted to go all white again because that's what I have had. But now that I have more of the wood tone, I feel like maybe I do want the all white ones. I'm just not quite sure what to think. I use a lot of wicker decor, especially in the spring and summer, and I feel like it will just get lost on this bookshelf. So please let me know in the comments what you think. I'm really unsure. But until the next video, friends, take care and God bless.